10% of teeth become non-vital when prepared for full coverage crowns. Is this immediate or after X number of years? Which is a really good question. Both, basically. I do thousands of preps, and I've had teeth become non-vital literally the next day. Don't panic, it doesn't happen very often, but I have prep teeth on one day, they're non-vital the next, and I've been doing very minimal preps on them or something like that. So it can be the next day. Then it's variable. It can be 2 or 3 weeks later, 3 months later, can be a number of years later, maybe 3 or 4 years, but it will generally happen early on, and then there's a big lag phase. Now, obviously, with your consent, consent people that 10% is your kind of average. If it's a very sound tooth, you would expect more problems, but I've had teeth where I've just taken a crown off, literally taken the cement off and fitted temporary, and that's gone non-vital. When you look at the studies, it's very variable because they're looking at teeth basically up to 10, 15 years. So I don't find there's a big cluster of initial devitalization, and some of them lose vitality with no pain at all. So it can be immediate, but the other thing that you'll find is, apart from it being immediate, it can also be more long-term as well. It's not a common problem that I'm finding. Some studies you'll see are up to about 23%, but hopefully, and you'll get to do this on the hands-on, we'll use prep through guides, we'll use indices, so you keep the preps minimal. And don't forget things like the Pashley technique, where you etch the tooth straight after prepping it, and then what you do is you put your bond straight on to seal the dental tubules. So that is a good option as well, but it can happen over a period of time.